Adverbial clauses of manner. This references pages 306 and 307 in Grammar for Teachers. Like all adverbial clauses, this type of clause modifies the verb in the main clause. The significance of adverbial clauses of manner. Adverbial clauses of manner tell how an action takes place. Key conjunctions used with adverbial clauses of manner are as if and as though. Let's take a look at this example. The boy speaks as if he is sick. As if is the conjunction or glue that links the two clauses together. The main clause is the boy speaks, and the adverbial clause is he is sick. Here is a different example of an adverbial clause of manner. This time, the glue is as though. It looks as though it is going to snow. In this sentence, it is going to snow is the main clause. As though is the glue linking the main clause to the adverbial clause, it looks. Adverbial clauses of manner as comparisons. These clauses can be used to compare real and unreal situations. Let's take a look at an example of an unreal situation. Finally, I could see a path of gray light ahead of us, as though there were a cleft in the hills. Just a note, the use of were indicates an unreal present situation. Lastly, let's take a look at an example of a real situation. Mia feels as if she is closing the first chapter on her life as a student. Notice the absence of were that is present in the unreal situations. So let's review adverbial clauses of manner. The key words used in adverbial clauses of manner are as if and as though. Adverbial clauses of manner are used to tell how an action takes place. They are also used to show comparisons to real or unreal situations. And let's not forget that were is used to indicate an unreal present situation. Let's practice. Francine is sucking her thumb and stroking something in her lap with her short, stubby fingers, as if it were a kitten. In the chat, identify the adverbial clause of manner. Then, decide if this is a real or unreal situation. Which word gives you the clue? Let's try another example. Elizabeth looked at Thiago as though he were crazy. In the chat, identify the adverbial clause of manner. Is the situation real or unreal? Was there a clue word that helped you decide? One last practice sentence. Dr. M's parents had been divorced for 3 years, and they gave her so little attention, it was as though they'd divorced her too. In the chat, identify the adverbial clause of manner. Is it real or unreal? How do you know? Let's get ready for the quiz.